Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. I hope everybody's having a great day today. It's a beautiful sunny day here in sunny Florida, and I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept and you are new to this channel, please make sure you like and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here on Dave the Watchman on YouTube and davethewatchman.com with my buddy Shrody, who always has to interrupt my videos. As soon as I start talking, he comes running in to be part of it. So anyway, without further ado, I just wanted to go over a watch that I recently purchased in my collection that I am completely in love with. This watch is great. It is a watch that I bought that I had originally reviewed a similar watch, but it wasn't the same color, and I wasn't too impressed with it at first, but then when I decided to give it a second chance and I bought it in this blue color, I was really stunned by it, and I really just loved the watch. So this is a watch that I haven't been able to take off my wrist for the past week or so. It's been just a watch that is basically my go-to watch, and probably my favorite watch in my entire collection of many watches, many more watches than anyone should actually own. But anyhow, I am Dave the Watchman, and that's what I do here. I buy watches, I review them, and this watch really does deserve some screen time. And I did touch on it when I did the unboxing, and then I also did a review where I compared it to the bezel, the dive bezel, to a GMT bezel, which I also have that video posted if you wanted to check that out. It basically just goes over how you operate a dive bezel as opposed to a GMT bezel. But anyhow, I did give this some attention in those videos, but I never really gave it a full on review for by itself. So here we go. So this is the STEELDIVE SD1953. Beautiful, beautiful watch by STEELDIVE. Very great, very good quality on this thing. This thing is really spec'd out for the price. Beautiful finish on this thing. Nice stainless steel case. Beautiful dial on this thing. That really shiny turquoise looks wonderful. This is also available in a lot of different colors. So if this isn't your color, they do have this thing available in many other colors. And I will post a link to this in the description below so you guys can head on over and pick this thing up. Wonderful watch. Very nice. Brushed stainless bracelet. This bracelet is very solid. Really nice, solid bracelet with the milled clasp. This thing is wonderful. It's got the milled clasp with the safety on it. Just an all-around beautiful watch with very great craftsmanship and good build on this thing. The rotating unidirectional bezel doesn't lose a second of time. I mean, this thing's really sharp. It's not wobbly at all. It doesn't have any back play. It's great. It's got that sweeping second hand with giant magnification on this sapphire crystal on the date window. It's just a beautiful watch all around. Like I said before, sapphire crystal, NH35A Seiko movement, 41 millimeters. You get this thing boasts 300 meters of water resistance. This thing is a wonderful dive watch. I have really nothing bad that I can say about it. I mean, it's got the screw down winding crown with the logo engraved in the crown. It's also got the stainless steel back with the logo. Actually, it's not printed or laser etched. It's actually machine etched into the back. But wonderful watch. Like I said before, you cannot beat this watch for the price. It is so extremely specced out for the price. Believe it or not, with the Seiko NH35 movement and the sapphire crystal, you'd expect to pay $150 for this watch. Honestly, that's what the specs would call for on this thing, but you can pick this thing up for around 60 bucks on AliExpress right now. I will post a link to this, so if you guys want to head on over and pick one of these things up, you will not be dissatisfied with this watch for that price range. I mean, it is kind of unbelievable how they can even produce this watch for that small amount of money. I mean, this is a great watch for that price. It's beautiful looking and it's very, very well made. I mean, it's really, really tight, just very good quality. Like the quality on this thing is just amazing. And it's got a good weight to it. It's not light like some of the other budget-friendly watches. This is a very good budget-friendly option. As far as budget-friendly watches go, this is miles beyond the competition. So if you do want to pick one of these things up, like I said, I will post an affiliate link below. The link to this product will be an affiliate link, so it does send $1 or $2 over to me if you decide to purchase it. Doesn't cost you anything more. You pay whatever the price is listed. The only difference is I end up taking a commission out of that sale if you do decide to click on that link and purchase it, and that is very, very much appreciated if you want to do that. Also, if you do like these videos, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So if you do like that concept and you want to see more of these videos coming to you, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here. And if you are a current subscriber, thank you guys so much. Could not be doing this channel without you, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. So until the next watch review video, I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. You guys have a great day. The watches that are shown in this video and or any watch that I review on this channel are not counterfeit. I do not and will not ever knowingly review any counterfeit watches on my channel. YouTube policy defines counterfeit items as follows. Counterfeit goods contain a trademark or logo that is identical to or substantially indistinguishable from the trademark of another. And YouTube also defines further that they mimic the brand features of the product in an attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. None of the items I review on this channel meet either one of these requirements. I do not review items that are identical in any way to any brand or that attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. These items are all purchased legally and are publicly available to anyone to purchase themselves. To the best of my knowledge, all of the watches that I review are made by companies that have done their research to make sure that the items they sell are legal. I do not produce these items, I only review them. Once again, the watches you see in this video and any watch you see on this channel reviewed by me is not and are not counterfeit items as defined by YouTube policy.